Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, it's over 30 days since I uploaded right here. I get it, but I'm back. I went on a vacation, like a birthday vacation with some of my girls, and that video will be coming up, or rather that vlog will be coming up shortly. But today I want to share something really exciting with you guys that I received from a company called Teddy Blake. I want to give a shout out and say thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful item I'm about to show you guys right now. So without wasting anyone's time, let's just get right into the unboxing. So this is the box right here. It says Teddy Blake, New York, and as you can see, it's a very luxurious box, and it's very sturdy in here. Also, it's a click box, and I live for click boxes. You can tell that this company actually put time and effort in actually making a nice box for their product. And let's get started. So just opening the box, you can see that it has some writings in here. It says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. How nice. And this is how it looks like inside here. So I haven't opened this package, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up right now. Comes in this bubble wrap right here too, so I'm gonna take off this bubble wrap, and my kids love this bubble wraps, and I'm just gonna keep this for my kids because they love to snap this. You know, I don't know. And here is the dust bag. It also says Teddy Blake, New York, and I'm just gonna go open it right now. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is fresh out of the dust bag, and look at this baby right here. Look at this gorgeous baby right here. Is she beautiful? She is beautiful. Okay. So when I got contacted by Teddy Blake, I didn't know who Teddy Blake was, so I went ahead and googled what Teddy Blake is and found out that they were like a luxurious bag company, and the bags are made of genuine leather and all that good stuff. And I responded back and I'm like, yes, I would love to have one of your beautiful bags. And I decided to go for this color because I don't have like a gray sandy color in my handbag collection, and I'm so glad I chose this color in this baby right here. I love this bag. It's made, like I said, it's made of genuine leather. And just a little bit of background about Teddy Blake, and I'm also going to pop it up right here and also leave information about company in my description box down below, so make sure you pay attention and go down below and click on that link so you can see the various bags, shapes and colors that they have on their website. Teddy Blake is an Italian-based company that is based in New York, and they make beautiful luxury handbags, affordable luxury handbags, those high-end luxury bags, but you want to feel luxury and also affordable at the same time, not breaking the bank. Then you want to go with Teddy Blake because their handbags are made of genuine leather. Here you can see like it's a croc leather bag, very high quality. made of croc leather, and back here it says Teddy Blake, New York. And we're gonna go ahead and open up this bag. So it opens up like this. Just 1 second. It's all opened up, and inside you do have straps. The straps are in here. I do also have extra dollars off. It's TB Chicamastyle 30, so you can take $30 off plus the 60%, up to 60% on their website going on right now. So it's up to 60% plus the extra $30 off to purchase anything on their website. So I would leave that link down in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and get your hands on various colors. Inside the bag is made out of it's more like microfiber or like a velvety material in here, right in here. And then you have a zipper here, and then there's another compartment right here, and this is how it looks like inside. And also, like I said, this bag is made out of genuine leather, so you don't have anything to worry about because it's made out of real leather, and it smells so good. On the lock right here it says Teddy Blake. Also right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says Teddy Blake right here. And I'm just gonna lock this bag. This is an 11-inch bag. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just perfect for my size. And like I said, I am going to be rocking this bag all year round because it's like a neutral color, gray sandy color, so you can rock it the entire year. There's no timing to rock this bag, and that's why I chose this color. If you guys love what you see and you want to see more of these beautiful bags and lots more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I post new content right here on my channel. And with that being said, do not forget there is a $30 off plus 60% off the entire website. So make sure you use that code, which is TB Chicamastyle 30, which will be listed down below. Go ahead and use that and get your hands on this gorgeous baby. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.